helps with mood, helps with memory. Hi everybody, my name's Glenda Britton. This is my kitchen. I'm a registered holistic nutritionist. I want to welcome you here today because I work primarily in mental health. But you know what we're talking about here is being calm, being focused, having a good mood, being happy. I've got a little recipe here for you today that's so simple. I just had to show you in this little video because it only takes minutes. We are making wheatgrass lemonade. Doesn't sound delicious, but it is. So let's jump right in. Start with an organic lemon. Organic is the way to go for many reasons. One, because you get more nutrients, but also you get way more lemon juice. You'll see there's so much more lemon juice in an organic lemon than there is in non-organic. So it's worth the extra money. Now I am just peeling this, as you can see, really quickly, because that could be a chore, but we want to leave some of the white there. The white of a citrus fruit has something called bioflavonoids in it, which helps with vitamin C absorption. So we really want to take advantage of that. So we want to cut it open, make sure there aren't any seeds in it, and toss it in the blender. Now you might not be able to do this with all blenders. I have a Vitamix. I highly recommend it. I don't get anything back for saying that. Anyway, oh, I missed a part. Missed a spot, no problem. Now you can keep these lemon peels, freeze them, and throw them into a cocktail or a drink or even just a glass of water later. So I'm a little messy from that. Now if you don't have a Vitamix, you might have to strain this, but with a Vitamix you will not. Next ingredient is honey. You want to make sure your honey is raw or unpasteurized, meaning the same thing, and local if you can get it. Good quality honey is antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral. So important these days. So I'm using quite a bit of honey because we want it sweet. It's lemonade after all. You want it really delicious. So I'm using 1/3 of a cup. Don't worry. I'll be posting the recipe down below. So quite a bit of honey. I've got a bit of a sweet tooth, I will admit, but with all of those wonderful benefits, also helps to feed the microbiome, you name it. Good quality honey is almost like medicine. There we go, the honey's in there. Then 2 cups of filtered water. Make sure it's really good quality filtered water. And then the special ingredient, wheatgrass. So I'm buying powdered wheatgrass because it's really easy and versatile to use. Now, if you're not used to wheatgrass, you might want to start with a little bit less, or if you have spirulina or chlorella, both in powder form, you can use those in this recipe as well. I like wheatgrass because it doesn't taste quite as strong and it's so good for your brain function. If you have some anxiety, extra stress like so many people do these days, wheatgrass will help with that. Helps with mood, helps with memory. Here I have a whole tablespoon of wheatgrass. Just pop that in. And I'm going to put a few ice cubes in. Now this is going to get loud for a minute, not even a minute. Let's see, 20 seconds. There we go, beautiful. Now this, you wouldn't believe it, but it's actually quite creamy. And I put it in a pretty glass, sharing it today with my husband and my daughter. It's actually a treat. Perfect for a summer day or any time. There we go. Isn't that pretty? Let's taste it. It's delicious. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you like this kind of content, make sure you give us a like down below and leave your comments. Do you like wheatgrass? Have you tried this kind of thing? And try this recipe and let us know if you like it. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, in good health.